Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by forcing Windows to send clean audio to Warzone. Open Sound Control Panel and set your preferred output as default device, because the game follows that selection. Once done, set the sample rate to 48000HZ and 24-bit to match the title, and turn off enhancements. Those can add processing lag or distort positional cues. After that, check Device Manager for driver updates or rollbacks. Newer drivers can fix codec conflicts, while rollbacks remove recent regressions. Next, focus inside Warzone where audio routing and mixes change perception. Open Audio Settings and pick the audio mix that emphasizes footsteps if you need positional clarity. The theater mix widens the stage while Boost High sharpens treble. Make sure speaker setup matches what Windows reports, stereo versus 7.1, since mismatch breaks spatialization. Also disable in-game voice processing and exclusive modes. These can steal the audio stream or resample it in ways that blur cues, so align game and system settings for consistent output. Finish by validating changes. Use the in-game audio test, then join a live lobby to confirm footsteps and gunshots are balanced. Once done, restart the game and your PC so drivers and services reload with new settings. If problems persist, clear Warzone cache or delete the config file to force defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: if sound is still wrong, swap headsets or roll back the audio driver. Isolating hardware versus software quickly reveals whether the issue is the device or the system configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.